Event industry knowledge. One of the most important and the very first thing that an organizer should have is that he or she have an idea or knowledge for the event. A knowledge or idea allows us to make a concept for a particular event, to make a decision and also to solve any conflicts or problems that may arise. We also know that a knowledge has the power to make an advanced and wider understanding so that we can innovate and foster physical, mental, and social growth. We can also identify the whole event flow, including the target audience, the event concept, and also planning the logistics and coordinating with the technical aspects before executing the full proposals of the event. Understanding these aspects can help us in planning and executing successful events that meet organizers' goals and attendees' expectations.